Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about three types of probability density function. In probability theory, a probability distribution is a mathematical function that gives probability of occurrence of different possible outcomes for an experiment. In the communication field, we come across various types of random variables and they will have their own probability density functions. Means different random variables have different probability density function which are different form from each other. So it is not possible to study all these probability density function. So here we discuss only three types of standard probability density function, which is Gaussian distribution, normal distribution and Rayleigh distribution. First is Gaussian distribution. Gaussian distribution is used for continuous random variable and it is perhaps the most important PDF in the field of communication. The majority of noise observed in practice are generally Gaussian and there are many naturally occurring experiments are characterized by continuous random variables with Gaussian probability density function. In probability theory, the Gaussian distribution is a continuous distribution that gives a good description of data that are clustered around the mean. These are the formula for Gaussian PDF f of fx comma mu comma sigma is equal to 1 by sigma under root 2 pi exponential minus half x minus mu divided by sigma whole square. Here E is Euler number which is equal to 2.7182. X is the data to be plotted. Here this x is data to be plotted. Sigma is standard deviation, mu is mean and sigma square is variance. This is the formula for Gaussian PDF. Hello, Colonel. This is the formula for.
Hello.
Yes. This is the Gaussian PDF formula for Gaussian PDF. Okay. Wait for a minute. Write down this formula. Then next formula is this is the formula for normal probability density function. It is given by 1 by sigma under root 2 pi exponential minus x minus rho divided by 2 sigma square, and here exponential minus rho minus x minus rho whole square divided by 2 sigma square. Same, this is the standard deviation, this is the mean, x is the data and this is the variance. Similarly, this is the formula for Rayleigh PDF function. X is data, rho square is variance, exponential x square is data and rho square is variance. So for these PDF. I have already written program for this PDF. First we discuss Gaussian PDF. You write the formula for Gaussian PDF? Hello, Aru? Yes. You write the formula or I'll show you. This is the formula for Gaussian PDF. Write down this formula so I can explain this. Start from this line, 6th line. Z is equal to x multiplication exponential minus y. Here R is data. R is data, and if we copy this data and write this data in paste this data and then enter, you get these are the values of data. Clear? Then this is the data to be plotted in Gaussian distribution, and F is standard deviation, and in this case mean mu is equal to 0. Mean is taken as 0. So start from this line. Z is equal to x multiplied by exponential minus y. Value of x is 1 divided by 1 multiplied by square root of 2 percentage pi. Percentage pi means pi. So formula is 1 by rho. Rho means standard deviation and value of standard deviation is 1. So here 1 by 1 multiplied by square root 2 pi. Clear? Then this is the value of x. So z is equal to 1 by rho 2 under root 2 pi. Exponential minus y, and y is equal to j by 2, and j is equal to r by 1 dot caret 2 means r is the data and data square. If you put value of mu is 0, then you get exponential minus half x square by rho square, and by using these expressions we get the final expression for Gaussian distribution. Z is equal to 1 by rho under root 2 pi exponential half x square. X here, this is data. X value of x is represented by r. So this is x square by rho. Value of rho is 1, and if we execute this program, we get the Gaussian distribution for this data. Clear? Kernel, Arunama,
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर है? Then for normal distribution, normal probability density function, formula is given by 1 by sigma under root 2 pi exponential minus x minus mu whole square. Value of mu is 1 because value of mean is taken 0. Value of mean is taken 0. So value of mu is 0 and value of standard deviation and variance is taken 1. So this is the formula for normal distribution. Program for normal distribution. Normal distribution. Normal period. Here data is R is from minus 5 to 5 and increasing step is 0.01. If we copy this data and write this data in console, we get our data. These are the our data. Then x is equal to square of 1 by 2 pi because in this case value of standard deviation sigma is 1. So 1 by under root 2 pi multiplied by exponential and y is r is data, x square, it means r square means x square divided by 2 into sigma square. Value of sigma is 1, so we get the value of y is equal to data square divided by r, and if we put the value of x and y in this, we get the formula for normal probability density function. And this is the normal distribution for given data. And this is the formula for Rayleigh probability density function. X is data, rho square, sigma square is variance, x square data square and divided by 2 rho square sigma square. Value of sigma is 1. Rayleigh Here z is equal to x multiplied by exponential minus y. Value of y is given by this expression x square, r is data, so r square data square divided by 2, and f is standard deviation. Here f is standard deviation and value of standard deviation is 1. So data square divided by 2 rho square sigma square of standard deviation square, and value of x is r data divided by sigma square. Here f is standard deviation and r is data. So if we execute this program, we get the valid PDF. You can title this graph by simply giving plot title. If you have any problem, then ask. तुम लोग को सारे प्रोग्राम क्लियर है? आरू, कर्नल,
यस मैम।
और तुम लोगों ने कब बना के दोगे इनकी फाइल?
मैम इसका पीडीएफ सबमिट करनी है क्या इसकी फाइल बनाकर?
हाँ, पीडीएफ इसकी जो तुम्हें जो है क्लासरूम पे।
यस मैम, तो आपको एज ए वो असाइनमेंट या कुछ शेयर करना पड़ेगा ना मैम, जब भी तो उसमें अटैच कर पाएंगे।
नहीं, तुम लोग की बन गई है, कंप्लीट हो गई क्या?
नहीं अभी मैम, याली भी तो बनानी पड़ेगी ना मैम।
हाँ, अभी ये भी बनेगी, एक नेक्स्ट में भी लूंगी उसके बाद। तो अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बन गई हो तो मैं सारी चीज फिर वो मैं असाइनमेंट की तरह दे दूं।
नहीं मैम, याली भी बना के एक साथ ही कर देंगे ना सबमिट।
हाँ, इसके बाद भी एक है, अभी सीडीएफ है, गॉसियन
यस
सीडीएफ, नॉर्मल सीडीएफ, रैले
यस
सीडीएफ, तो वो लास्ट करके अभी तक कोई
यस
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, बस मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ।
या नो मैम यस।
ओके, when class is over, thank you. 1 minute.